Hello, welcome back, and today we will unbox AltspaceVR. AltspaceVR is an original virtual reality environment, had been around for 10 years, and unfortunately it will be phased out by Microsoft on March 10th of this year. However, it will have its reincarnation in form of Mesh, while AltspaceVR is still out there and available to be used. So let's take a look at it and see how it's different from what we've seen so far. Getting into AltspaceVR is easy. You just follow a link and download the app. There is no web experience, but the application is also available for Meta Quest. Once you log in, the interface will present you with several options, destinations, or you can enter a code, tutorial, and a menu. You can jump into a destination from a welcome screen, or you can browse a website for more options. Avatar customization has several options, but nothing complex. Once again, Altspace does not integrate with any other systems, so there are no NFTs or wallets. There were a few people at the campfire event, so I went in. Graphics were fine and controls were responsive. My sound and mic seemed to work with no problems. I was able to communicate with everyone.
15 minutes ago.
Hi, hello. You looking good?
Event creation within Altspace is super easy. You pick a template, you schedule time, and you're ready to go. You can share your event with a code or a link. Couple of minutes and you're ready to host your meeting. Now let's see how Altspace looks in my VR set. Controls are easy and functional. I had no problem navigating myself.
Super question. I have a meeting I have to go. That's okay. Nice. Well done. You're welcome. Celeste told me you're super fascinating. Yes, after your meeting. Thank you. You will mute all.
This was AltspaceVR. It will be discontinued, but not completely. Source code is available on GitHub. I'll include a link. And Microsoft has plans to invest and continue development of virtual reality platform under Microsoft Mesh brand. I'll keep an eye on that, and I will make videos about it sometime soon. Meanwhile, leave your likes, comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.